everyone, welcome back to the kitchen. Today we are doing something semi-homemade. We're gonna make these delicious PB&J bars that are perfect for the lunchbox or for an after-school treat. And we're making them using Miss Jones Baking Company Ultimate Vanilla Cake Mix. I can't wait to share. Let's go see how these all come together. I want to remind you before we get started to go ahead and hit the like button, and if you're new to my kitchen, welcome. I love having new people visit. Hit the subscribe button, and if you are a tried and true member of the Noreen's Kitchen family, make sure that you hit the bell notification button and set your homepage on YouTube to your subscription feed so you don't miss out on all the real food for real people, real easy recipes that we present all the time right here on our YouTube channel and straight from our kitchen. Today we are excited to share with you that I have been selected as a brand ambassador for Mrs. Jones Baking Company, and they call their brand ambassadors baking babes. I don't know if I qualify for that, but in any case, that's what I am. And for the next... What?
I got you, babe.
You got me, babe? For the next few months, they're going to be sending me a lovely box of their products, and I'm invited to do whatever I like with them. They create organic baking mixes. They have cookie mixes. They have yellow and chocolate cake mix. They have brownie mix. They have a confetti cake. They also have microwave cakes in a cup, little mug cakes that you can make. Frostings, and their frostings are vegan and gluten-free. And if you follow me on Instagram, then you'll see the box that they sent me, which had this lovely vanilla cake mix, a chocolate cake mix, salted caramel chocolate chip cookie mix, and a chocolate frosting and a confetti frosting. Today, I'm going to be making a peanut butter and jelly bar. Back to school time is upon us, and I thought this would be a perfect semi-homemade recipe that is great for a lunchbox treat or an after-school treat. And we're going to use the Mrs. Jones yellow vanilla cake mix to make this. So it's really, really easy. One box of their ultimate vanilla cake mix, 1 stick of melted butter, so that's a half a cup of melted butter, 2 eggs, 1 cup of creamy peanut butter, you can feel free to use crunchy if you like, and a cup and a half of your favorite jam. Today we're using an all-natural strawberry spread, and that's as simple as it gets. And what goes in here is the cake mix, the eggs, in with our melted butter and our peanut butter. It smells good already. And then this is how hard this is. You're just gonna get your mixer. You don't even need to use your stand mixer for this. And you're gonna blend this up. The mixture is going to be thick, so don't worry about that. And it should look crumbly, just like that. We're going to reserve a cup and a half of our mixture off to the side because we're gonna use that as our topping. The rest of this mixture you're going to put into your prepared baking pan, even it out, and then we're going to press it in. Alright, we have our crust all spread out in the bottom of our pan. Just press it in there and make sure it's as even as you can get it. Then the next step is to take our strawberry jam, and we're just going to spread this evenly over our crust. Next, we're going to go ahead and we're going to take this reserved mixture that we pressed into the bottom, and we're going to sprinkle it across the top as evenly as possible. And there you have it. These are ready to go in a 325-degree oven for 20 to 25 minutes. And I'm gonna toss those in the oven, and when we come back, I'll show you what they look like when they're all done. These came out of the oven after about 30 minutes, and I let them cool completely while we did some other things, and I'm gonna get ready to cut these up, and then we're gonna taste them and see what they're like. I'm sure that they're gonna be amazing. They smell fantastic, and I'm excited to give them a try.
I don't.
You don't what?
I don't think it'd be amazing.
You don't think they're going to be amazing?
It'd be awful.
It'll be awful. Mm-hmm. Probably. Nothing worth taking here.
No.
Right?
No.
There you have it, our delicious peanut butter and jelly bars, and they are made with our Miss Jones Baking Company cake mix. This is a delicious semi-homemade after-school treat or lunchbox snack that you can whip up in no time at all. This literally took about 45 minutes, and then you have to let it cool. And these are going to keep in an airtight container for up to a week, but they probably aren't going to last that long in all honesty. These are really delicious. They're super easy to make. Now I wanted to just let you guys know, I'm going to leave a link down below to where you can find Miss Jones Baking Company products on their website. I'm also going to do an Amazon list where you can find all of the ingredients that they offer, everything from cake mix to brownie mix to cookie mix and frosting. Be sure and stay tuned to the channel because I have been named a Baking Babe Ambassador for Miss Jones Baking Company, and over the next few months I'm going to be sharing with you more recipe ideas to use with their baking mix. I am kind of excited about this, and don't forget, I used the cake mix to make this delicious bar cookie, but you can just as easily use that cake mix to make 2 9-inch rounds and make a layer cake or make 2 dozen cupcake, and you can just frost them with their icing as well, with their frosting in the tub. And that frosting is really delicious, and it's vegan. It is made with coconut oil. You want to give these a try?
I have to.
You probably have to.
That's good.
Oh, so yummy. You can easily see the layers that it created. Oh, it's sweet, it's salty, it's cakey. It's really, really yummy. It's like eating a peanut butter and jelly sandwich, absolutely. But in cookie form, so it makes it even that much more delicious, right? I hope you give these PB&J bars a try. I hope that you check out Miss Jones Baking Company online, and the list that I'm going to leave down below for you if you're interested in getting some of these things for yourself. I would like to thank Miss Jones Baking Company for selecting me to work with over the next few months. I'm really honored to have been noticed and chosen by them to do this with them. So, give these PB&J bars a try for back to school or anytime. I hope you try them. I hope you love them. And until next time, I'll see ya.